Hey boo boo, and I'm here today. I'm back at my daddy's jacked up truck. It's actually pretty tall. Let's just say I'm 5'7" and I can barely even get in here. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get down. Since I can't jump down with the phone in my hand. Oh, I almost fell. This is my daddy's truck. It's taller than me. And this is the front of it. Told y'all. GMC. Yeah, that's a long story. That one is too. All around it. That's a long story. I think this truck right here mainly has a long story. I just love playing in mud. Mud's my life. Okay, since I show you on my daddy's truck, show you my brother's. Cody Shires. Okay, we call him Cody. Okay, this is the front of his truck. He's a Chevrolet. And this truck has a long story behind it too. Right there, catching on fire where he had them little LED lights at. He's got the hooks just like my daddy's GMC. He has tires. He has both mirrors. He has a toolbox, little tailgate in it. Well, his toolbox is down under. And that is my brother's truck. And it has cork in right here. That's a really long story. And that's fear of this. No, you don't need to fear of this. You need to be fear of that. My daddy's truck is taller than this truck. And here we go on my sister's truck. She's got brand new tires on her truck. Hers is a Chevrolet, just like my, well, not just like my brother's, but hers is a Chevrolet too. No great windows. Both mirrors. One's cracked. Both handles. I love her gas tank thing. She got a toolbox. It's a Z71. I love the tail light. It has Chevrolet. Well, Chevrolet. And that's it. This truck and this truck, which got a new exhaust pipe underneath it, wish they can beat that truck. This truck, I can barely even get on top of the hood. But I'm walking through the trees right now. Oh, almost fell. I'm taller. Yes, I know you saw our dogs. Let's get back in. Bye guys, please like, comment, share which truck you will pick to go mud riding in. Bye.